Not bad for a rookie, huh?
Hey guys, I'm in the Florida Everglades and I'm standing right behind this giant swamp puppy. Ooh, what do we got here? Yoink. It's a little veiled chameleon. These guys are non-native. Isn't he cute?
There's saltwater crocodile. Crocodile forosis. Oh my gosh. Big croc.
Thing you've ever seen is eastern screech owl. Please stay away from the road, buddy.
No. Oh, hello. Little boy.
He's over 100 pounds. These guys are living dinosaurs. They got fossils going back 100 million years. They get their name